What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I am going to go over this Insta 360 mic adapter. Now, it says 360 Ace. I have a 360 Ace Pro, which I just unboxed. I'm doing this separate just in case people want to see this separately. So we're just going to do the unboxing. So here goes the adapter right here. So there you go. All right, we're gonna put it in the Insta 360. There goes the mic port right there. And they have another USB. Oh, that's very smart. So you don't have to just compromise that one spot. You can have this back open again. Very smart, very smart. And this is not a bad price, you guys. To get audio on the GoPro, well, my GoPro Hero 6, I needed to get an adapter, and I did get an adapter, and it didn't work. So I returned it back to Amazon and I said, you know what, forget it. Because I really didn't need it because I used the GoPro for like bird watching, doing my reviews as far as like doing products, time lapse and all that stuff and all that. So I really didn't need audio on my GoPro Hero 6, but I want audio on my Insta 360 because I want to do like more vlogging style. That's as far as that go. But anyways, that's it with this mic adapter.